Hello and welcome back to Antique Restorations. And today I have a box opening. I've been waiting for this gal to come in and she has arrived. I was out and had to go do a little bit of running here and I came back and she was on the doorstep, and that's when I thought she'd come. It's when I left, and that's how it usually works. So let's open up this little gal. Let's see what she's all about. She's not really little, but she's not overly big either. I think she's 18 inches. I'm not going to say who she is. You'll see in a few minutes. I've seen her. This is part of my gifts to myself, I say, for Christmas time. My Christmas dolls that are coming in. Bongo's one of them. This one is, and there's a few others that are coming in. And one that I'm hoping to win. I don't know if I will or not. But I do. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Oh my word. Oh. She's going to need stringing, but here she comes out. Oh, look at her. This is, let me get this box, it's got a lot of, this is, I want to make sure that you can see her. This is Shirley Temple Snow White doll. So we get a box just to sit up here just so she can lean against it. There we go. She's 18 inches, I'm thinking. Let me see if you can see her there. So we can zoom up on her. She's going to have her eyes poked out. Here we go. And put some new lenses, irises in there. And, oh, look at her. There she is. Now what I'm seeing here, it looks like maybe her original paint, because she's got a lot of crazing. No lifting at this time, but I haven't looked at her. You saw how much I've looked at her. And there's the seven dwarfs going across her dress. And she's got her shoes on, all original. So let's back this up a little bit. And let's take a closer look at her. But her stringing's very loose. So she's going to need a lot of, let's get this bubble wrap out of the way. Alright, let's take a really good look at her here now. Take this box, put it back here. So let's take a look at her here now. She's got her cape on, but it's kind of caught in with her neck. Let's see if we can get that out. There we go. So she's really loose in the neck, of course. But she's going to need her oh, this is original paint. I'm pretty sure it is. I'm going to say at this time. But, oh, her eyes need poking out. We need to deal with that. Oh, she's got, everything's original on her. Her undies, this is all attached to her. Oh, yeah, her legs are so loose. So loose. Oh, yeah, this looks like her original. Just a lot of crazing. This is not lifting. This is just crazing on her legs and her arms. Oh, she's original. She is original as she can be. She's marked Shirley Temple. Let's see if we can come up to the camera here. You can see this. 18 Shirley Temple. I hope you can see that. Okay, I want to get in the camera there. It says Shirley Temple. Let me see. I'm going to stand out. Hang on to the doll like this. When you're by yourself, here, let me get this pin out of the back of her dress. Maybe we can see better with that pin out. Okay, there we go. Not like I'm not going to undress her anyways. Down the road I am. So let's take a look at the back of her neck here. I'm going to hold her with one hand. She seems to be secure, like she's not going to come apart, so I can zoom up on that. See if we can. There we go. It says Shirley Temple 18 inches. There we go. On the back of her there. Isn't that just something? So that's what I got. One of my gifts I got myself for Christmas. I got some work on her, for sure I do. And but I am happy with her. I think she's going to just look sweet when she's done. But her wig looks a little tattered at the back here. Hair is missing quite a bit on her here and there. But you know what? We'll see what we can do with it. But oh, she's gorgeous though. Oh my goodness. This is the reason why I got her is because the first show I ever went to was Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. And that's the only reason. I would like to get the dwarfs to go with it. And that's something, like I say, you build towards it. You let this stuff come to you. I got her for a really nice price, you know, and she was worth every penny to me. Now she's going to need her dress fixed a little there. And it needs a washing. Like I just see dirt on it completely. But nothing that a little soaking can't help. Oh my goodness, she's gorgeous though. But there's no lifting on her from what I can see. I don't know how to take this cape off of her. Well, this is something I'm going to have to do later. Oh, she's pinned. But whatever. Right now, it's just showing her like this right now. But from what I can see of her, there's no lifting on her. I believe this is original first time paint. Just some nice linseed oil on her, and she's going to come out just beautiful. Just gorgeous, but dirty. Oh, definitely she is dirty. But some linseed oil, and I'll tell you, she's going to shine. Shine, shine, shine. And either a new wig, or maybe I can look at fixing this wig. One or the other. But there she goes. She's sitting on her own. Put some new lenses in her eyes, and irises in her eyes, and I'll tell you, she's going to look sweet. But there she is. I hope you like her. There are a few more dolls coming in the mail in the next little while. Some that you probably wouldn't even think that I would be drawn to. And I was surprised myself, but my eye caught them, and I just could not walk away from it. And I got them for a nice little price, too. Like, nothing too expensive. I was quite pleased with, you know, some of the dolls I've been seeing. Right about now is the time that people are putting a lot of dolls on to sell. So, but some of them, the prices are like, woo, skyrocketed too, because they know you want them. But anyway, she came up at a nice price. I'm glad I got her. I have no regrets buying her, and knowing I can fix her up and get her shining again, not a problem. So looking forward to working on her down the road. And if I can get her 7 dwarfs, I would love to. But anyways, I hope you like this, you enjoy it, her, and she's not up for restoration just yet. I'm sorry to say that she's not. I got so many up ahead of her. But is she on the list? Oh yeah. She's on that list just as well. But we're going to have some more fun coming up here. And I got some things planned. And stay tuned. More to come. And I hope you had a great day today. The night is coming in now. So have a great night. Bye-bye.